Alright, so got this installed. There's this keyboard, or I guess, and then put the key with Velcro here. So this is the same over here. I added activated right there. And yeah, I'm getting a fire alarm pull station like on Sunday or Saturday, or no, Sunday or Monday. So yeah.